My name is Priya. My name is Rina. We are here to perform our experiment on the theme to find the equivalent weight of an acid by neutralization method.
Elements of this experiment is oxalic acid, which we have taken 6.3 gram, this H2SO4 acid,
And NaOH 2 gram.
and this experiment is this measuring flask, this conical flask, this burette stand. Now we will prepare N by 2 solution of NaOH in 100 ml of water.
N by 2 solution of NaOH.
Now we will prepare N by 2 solution of oxalic acid, similarly in the same way like as before. Now we will measure 1.38 ml of H2SO4.
इसे पानी में डिसोल्व करेंगे. Then we will dissolve it in 100 ml of water to make N by 2 solution of it. This is the prepared solution of concentrated H2SO4 in water. Now we will fill this N by 2 NaOH solution into this burette with the help of funnel.
Then 10 ml of oxalic acid in this measuring cup cylinder. And the all the same in the conical flask. Now we will add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator in this solution. Now we will dip NaOH solution drop by drop into the conical flask containing oxalic acid, and we will swirl the conical flask slowly and wait for the readings so that the solution becomes pink, which is the indicator that our titration is complete.
Keep it continuously shaking till the pink color appears in this flask. Then we get our titration completion.
In the same way, we will dip the NaOH solution in the conical flask containing H2SO4 solution. Here we will take care that the conical flask is swirled slowly, and we will wait for the pink color of the solution. Now here we can observe the dark pink color of the solution.
So our titration is complete.
Now in the similar way, we will not do for 3 readings more and then calculate the normality of the acidic acid. Now here we can see the observations from the experiment. For oxalic acid, the initial reading, final reading and the volume used are as follows. From these 3 observations, we get the concurrent volume 14.4 ml. And in the same way for H2SO4 solution, from the following 3 readings, we got the concurrent volume as 10.9 ml. Now, as we know, according to normality equation, N1V1 is equals to N2V2. Here, let us take N1V1 to be the normality and volume of oxalic acid, In the experiment, an N2V2 be the normality and volume of NaOH. Now in the experiment, as we have taken the oxalic acid solution in 10 ml, so here V1 is equals to 10 into the normality of oxalic acid solution is N by 2. So N1 is equals to N by 2 is equals to N2 into volume of NaOH is found to be 14.4 from the concurrent volume here observation. So V2 is equals to 14.4 ml. From here we can easily calculate the value of N2, that is 14.4, that is 5 upon 14.4, which is 0.35 normal. So here we got the normality of NaOH solution by standardization. Now similarly, in the case of H2SO4, applying the same equation, N1V1 is equals to N2V2. Here this N1V1 notations are used for H2SO4, and this N2V2 in this case is again used for NaOH. Now N1 into V1 is equals to 10, that is volume of H2SO4 solution, and N2, that is normality of NaOH. As we have taken N by 2 solution of NaOH, so we will put N2 is equals to N by 2 into V2 can be replaced with 10.9, that is the concurrent volume of H2SO4, which we got from the observations. So now from here we can easily calculate the value of N1, that is 10.9 upon 20, which comes to be 0.545 normal. Now as we know that normality is equals to given mass upon equivalent mass upon volume into 1000. This is another formula from which we can represent normality. So now putting the value of normality to be 0.545, given mass upon equivalent mass, as we have used 100 ml, so the volume is 100 into 1000. Now as we also know that density of H2SO4 is 1.83 gram per centimeter cube. And we have taken volume of H2SO4 as 1.38 ml. Also we know that density is equals to mass upon volume. So from here we can calculate the mass of H2SO4 from the formula mass is equals to density into volume. So here density is 1.83 into 138, which comes to be 2.525 gram. Now putting this value in this equation, we get 0.545 is equals to given mass 2.525 upon equivalent mass upon volume 100 into 1000. Here equivalent mass is equals to 0.545 into 100 upon 2.525 into 1000. Upon doing the calculation, we get equivalent mass to be 46.33 gram. Hence, this was the required result of this experiment. As here we have calculated the equivalent mass of the given acid by the method of neutralization, hence the experiment is completed.